Shopify Dropshipping Tutorial for Beginners. In this video, I will give you my honest tutorial about Shopify, how to use Shopify, and also how to add your own products here on Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get an access to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can able to start Shopify for free for 30 days. Shopify offers 30 days free trial. Click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. So what you can do here with Shopify, you can just click here to add the product. When you click add a product, this is where you can able to add your own products here. You can also import your own product. If you own an existing product, you can also import them here. Let me show you how to add your own product here on Shopify. It is so simple. I'm just going to click here to add a product. And then after that, you will see a title. Under title, this is whereby that you can just put the title of the product that you want to sell here, And then after that, you're gonna go to description. Under description, this is whereby that you want to put what your product is all about. I like to use this AI tool from Shopify, which is gonna write for me any product description that I want. I'm just gonna put some keywords there, based on the product that you want to sell. For me, it's gonna be a t-shirt for men. After that, you can also choose the tone of voice. I like to use the tone of voice as default and expect, which is gonna good. I'm gonna click here to write. What's gonna happen now? This Shopify AI is gonna write the product description for me automatically. As you can see, this is the product description. I'm gonna go to media now. After that, guys, I'm gonna go to media. Under media, this is whereby that you want to upload the image of the product that you want to sell on Shopify. When you're done doing that, you can go to category. Under category, you're gonna choose the product which category falls under to. As you can see that there are so many categories: entertainment, pet, baby, accelerations, animals, electronic cameras. Based on the product that you want to sell, choose the category that falls under. You can go to pricing. Under pricing, this is whereby that you want to put the price of the product that you are selling, how much your customers are willing to buy the product, And I put the pricing here. So you have to put the cost per item, like how much you have to pay to buy that product, maybe on your supplier. You have to put that price here. It's gonna show you the profit that you'll be making and also the margin that you'll be making, guys. Okay, just keep in mind. For inventory, leave it like track quantity as default, not change anything there. Then for shipping, this is a physical product. Of course, you have to put the kg weight of the product that you are selling on Shopify. It is so easy, guys. As you can see, it is so simple to upload or to add your own product on Shopify. Then when you go to collection, under collection on Shopify, you can see multiple products that you added on Shopify. If you're not selling one product, if you're selling 5 products, you will see them here under collections, guys. Okay, then you can go to customers. Under customers, you can see your customers who purchased from you, who purchased the products that you are selling. And also you can, if you already existing customers, you can also import those database here on Shopify. You can also import them here on Shopify. Then when you go here to analytics, under analytics on Shopify is gonna help you to see on how your store it is performing right now. You have to check. You will see the total sales that you got today, yesterday, in the last month, in the last year. All of those things you will see on how your store it is performing, and also you able to see the conversion rate of your store. You can also check the total orders that you got on a specific month or on a specific day. Not only that, you can also see the top selling products of your Shopify store, guys. You can see the top selling products. If you have multiple products on a Shopify store, you can able to check that. Okay, now let's go to marketing. Under marketing on Shopify, it allows you to do email marketing, like to do email follow-ups on your customers who didn't purchase from you. You can send those emails from your customers, or customers who already purchased from you. You can also sell them other different products, guys, because you can get more conversion rate. Okay, you can also go to discount. You can also offer some discounts on Shopify, especially on holidays. You can offer some discount, 25% off discount, so that you can get more sales. Then when you go here to online store on Shopify, it allows you to use this done for you themes on Shopify. Take a look at this one. If you are in a beauty niche, look at this one so that you can have an idea on how these stores they look like. Or if you are selling clothing item, you can also select this one, or you can just click here to add that button. These themes, guys, is gonna be added to you automatically on a Shopify store. Let me check this one. This is clothing brand theme. If you want to sell a clothing brand or any products that you want to sell, you can also model and take a look at these stores and how they look like. You can change these logos here. You can change these prices here. You can also change this currency and put the currency on your own. Delete all of this and put your own brand here on these logos, guys. Okay, that's how you can model these Shopify stores, guys. Okay, if you want to sell what can I say, guys? Only if you want to say only if you want to sell clothing brands, you can model all of those things, guys. Okay, so now let me show you this 30 days free trial on Shopify. It says that start for free, then enjoy your first month only for $1. When you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, it's gonna take you to this page, so that you can able to get started using Shopify. But I highly recommend, guys, that whenever you're starting out on Shopify, pay on a yearly basis so that you can save up to 25% off. I want you to save money on Shopify. Take a look at this one. The most popular plan here on Shopify is gonna be $19 only if you want to pay on a yearly basis, guys. Okay, but if you want to pay on a monthly basis, it's gonna be 25% off. 25%